The sun is shining, the banners sway. An Airstream open house starts today. 2 days only, so don't delay. Let's roll to Eugene, it's time to play. With beverages to sip and treats to munch, deals that pack a powerful punch. The newest models, the best we sell. Oh, the stories these trailers will tell. Sutton RV and Airstream Eugene. Adventure awaits, it's a traveler's dream. Giveaways galore, surprises to share. The Airstream Rep is waiting there. Deals so sweet you'll say, oh wow. Your journey starts, and it starts right now. Picture the stars through a midnight sky, with your Airstream home parked nearby. From coast to coast where memories gleam, it's all within reach in an Airstream. Come on down, don't miss the show. For 2 days only, let's go, let's go. Today and tomorrow your chance is clear. The adventure starts right here.